Huh? To remember pharmaceutical dosage form and routes of administration. This is combined. Huh? One lab. Pharmaceutical dosage form and drug routes of administration. It includes one lab. Two presentation, but for one lab. Okay. So what will we do in the dosage form? We put anything as a sample, tablet, capsule, anything will be as a sample. You have to identify the dosage form.
Don't miss.
Identify the dosage form. It is tablet, capsule, enteric-coated tablet, or capsule, whatever it is, suppository, inhaler. We put anything. Inhaler, I show you in the last lab many things.
So you'll give us a drug and we will have to say what it is.
I have found the samples.
Yes.
You have remember,
Capsule,
inhalers,
tablets, inhalers.
capsule, tablet, anything will be in front of you.
Yes, and you.
So what will the question? Identify the dosage form. First question.
Okay.
It is a capsule, inhaler, aerosol. Inhaler also called aerosol.
Okay.
Understand? And from which route, through which route this drug will be administered? IV, inhalation, oral, intramuscular, IV, both IM or IV, parental route you can write,
Yes.
So this may be related to questions according for this.
To this drug.
For this dosage form or route, for the route, give the two merits of your selected route. Advantages, merits or advantages. Or give any two disadvantages of your selected route. As you selected route, this will be the. Understand? If you select this dosage form is given through inhalation route, you have to give two advantages of inhalation route. We don't give the advantages of inhalation route. Last year I will have give this mistake. I asked the question through which route you have given. Somebody write oral or whatever. But another question was not related to this. Another question. What is the advantage of the sublingual route? As this mistake was taken. So students understand the first question answer is there, sublingual. Actually it was not the answer. This was a separate question. But student misguide. So to avoid this misguidance, we don't put a route. If your first question will be corrected, second will automatically correct it. If your first will be wrong, second also will be go wrong. Understand? So be careful. A selection of the route is very important. Through which route you have administered this route? Yeah, which route you have selected for administration of this dosage form, and give any two merits or demerits. Mumkin sawal put merits or advantages, or some we put disadvantages. Whatever we ask, you have to go through this. The two labs will be finished.